is this going to survive? I don't know. So there's been light snow, and before the snow there was strong winds, gusts of maybe 40 miles per hour or more. Unfortunately, one of the guy lines, the one, this one, snapped. All of these guy lines have been replaced with ropes. To be fair, they are thicker than guy lines, and the one over here snapped, which as a result of which the wind overpowered it and blew the leg over the fence. So this leg was over the fence, and I've moved it back in, put it back. But what has happened is, as a result of all the pushing and shoving, the tarp has got tears in them now, like over here, and this can be fixed, but I'm not going to be doing it in this weather, and it's probably not worth it at present. So we're just going to run with it for now. So I'm going to use this as an experiment to find out if and what kind of weather is finally going to destroy it. But it has stood for 4 to 5 months now without any problems. So I think it's a brilliant solution for the water running down. So no water is collected. The snow, however, on the other hand, is getting collected as of now. I did have to tap the roof to get some of it moved, but we'll see what happens. I'll document it.